Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for that discount. And this is Maruchan in collaboration with Calbee for the Shiawase Happy Butter Ramen. Kuta. What does kuta mean? It means I'm full. 3 minutes, water the line, you know the drill. How's everybody doing? Good, I hope. I hope this isn't full of frickin' potatoes. I don't know. Not a huge fan of the whole potato ramen connection. Starch and carbs, I don't know. But it's Friday. Or no, it's Saturday. The 24th? 25th? I don't know when it is. Let's see. I will consult my smart device. It is Saturday, June 24th, 2023, here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington, where it's around 53 degrees, and it's 9:12 in the AM time. I'm your host, Hans Lennish, the Ramen Raider, and today we're doing this one, and yeah. And I got an iPad that will only run the standard apps that come with it. It's funny too, because I tried going to a couple websites like Wikipedia and Google in the Safari browser, and they start to come up and then it crashes. It's like, okay. I wonder if you can root it or do some kind of jailbreak on it, or I don't know. I don't want to brick it. There's really nothing. I really don't know what to do with it. Except for admire it. Wow, look at this. This is the same one that Steve Jobs did. I don't like Steve Jobs though, so I don't really care about that. And, but it's a neat chunk of tech. The connector on this thing, it's like this wide. It's huge. But I got it free off the Buy Nothing group, so thank you to the nice lady who gave it to me. I want to say it was from the same place I got something off the Buy Nothing group that was like a Microsoft hat. It's like, I've been over here before. I know I've been over here. And I swear to God, it's the same spot where I got that hat. Because they had a Microsoft hat and an Apple hat. I wanted the Microsoft hat. I live in Washington. I live like... I couldn't walk to I could walk to Redmond, but that'd be a long, long slog. But, yeah. I used to work for a company that was located in Redmond, actually, called Internet Advancement. And I would surf the net, and I would find, like, say, bobscountrygifts.com. and check their database. If it wasn't in there, it'd give me a green flag, and I'd put it in there, and then they would like try to get them to do their search engine optimization stuff. But every time I found one that wasn't in their database and it fit their criteria, I'd get like 50 cents, 60 cents, I can't remember what it was, but the quota was like 150 of them a day. And you know what I found was that there was a website, it was called webexplode.com. They wanted all this quota met, and nobody knew how to do it. There was like really no, like, here's how it works. You know, everybody had to kind of like work on it. What I found out is there's a place called WebExplode, and you could just download a list every day you had to pay for of all the new registered domain names. So you could just like go through a list of like thousands and thousands of brand newly registered domain names. I would like let them simmer, wait for like maybe a month for them to be old enough, and then I would search it was just a big text file of .coms, search for gift, search for store, copy paste, not in the DB, great. So I was able to get up like at 5, 6 in the morning and be done by 6, 7 in the morning. It was great. I made good money doing that. And they always wanted to know, well, how are you doing this? How are you able to do this so quick? It's like, you don't pay me to tell you that. I am not going to farm out my trick. Have a day. You can have a day, have a few beers, have you out for lunch. Teach all the new people how you're doing it. No. Long story short, they made claims about. This is really buttery. They made claims that their SEO would guarantee a top spot, like first page on Google. It was bullshit. And they got sued by, so the Attorney General fined them like a ton of money. They went out of business. Hey, what are you doing out there? Miles. Miles has been a real stinker lately. He thinks it's cute. He gets all giggly and just tortures his sister. And she tells him, stop it, which riles him up more, you know. Like, haha, I tell her, just like, ignore him, and it'll stop. But she just can't. She has to react. I mean, come on, she's 6. Surprisingly, they seem a little less broken up about the dog going than I would have expected. I guess that's good. Did you hear that little bring? You know what that is? That's frickin' LinkedIn. I am very close to just dumping LinkedIn into the toilet because it just constantly is like haranguing you about, oh, you could do this. Why don't you get the premium version? Why don't you do that? It's like, I don't. Do you need packaging for your noodle line? Will you connect with me? It's like, no, I don't make noodles. I review them. So do you need packaging for your No! Leave me the frick alone. I get so much crazy marketing junk mail. They don't read. they're just like, yes, who do I speak to that's in the marketing department? Speaking. Yeah, do you need a solution for answering the phones? We have people in the Philippines that can answer the phones for you. Nobody's, I get a phone call once in a while from somebody thinking I'm a noodle company and complaining that their noodle wasn't in great condition. I'm like, oh, no. Well, and I looked it up. You're the only person I found. They get mad. That's kind of, I like that when that happens. So I get to play customer service guy. Like, no, actually, yeah, I don't know, I'm not the company. I don't know any from that company. But honestly, I would just take it back to the store and tell them your concerns. Oh, I didn't even think of that. Okay. You have a great day. You do you. You be wonderful. I had one lady call once that said she had the most wonderful idea to make kids eat their instant noodles. Which is just like, oh? I mean, like, so you don't have to hold them down and force them down their throat anymore? What do you do? The ramen raider wants to know. Shichibi. She's all into this whole thing of making like rainbow noodles. And the kids will just love it. They'll love it. It'll be awful, wonderful. And she was like, you can't tell anybody. This has to be like secret. Frickin' humans. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Alright, well that's gonna be it for me for today. It's 9:20 a.m. and I've done 4 reviews. I'm pretty stoked on that. And I started reviewing in earnest again in what? On June 19th. And it's the 23rd. 20 reviews in 6 days. Very good. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Rate. Oh, you want to be on the show?
Yes.
Come here. Come here, kid. You are on the show. So what do you want to say? Say something. Say hi to the nice people.
Hi, nice people.
And who are you and what are you about?
I was about some...
Talk to the camera.
I played at Sonic.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. He's a good game.
Yeah. Miles is a really, really, really serious child of interest in becoming a YouTube superstar. Isn't that right?
Yes.
Yeah, why don't you do your show? Put on your face.
Yeah, and my face.
Yeah, you have a face. You got a cute face.
Wait,
kid.
what's that?
This is Maruchan in collaboration with Kalbi Shiawase Happy Butter Ramen from Japan.
Oh, do you have Dr. Pepper?
I do have Dr. Oh, you're asking about my beverage.
Yeah, about Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, it's the last one. Oh, you want some?
Yeah, I do. I really
You
love
can have
it.
a little slug of it, but it's got caffeine in it. You can have a little slug. No backwashing now.
It tastes so good.
Is that your review out of a score of 0 to 5 stars? What would you give the Dr. Pepper?
The Dr. Pepper is, those drinks.
How many stars?
You need to get
Is it 0 stars yucky, 5 stars yummy?
a 3 stars yummy.
3 stars?
3 stars.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I got 3 stars too.
Oh, right on. You get 5 stars, buddy.
Yeah!
Good job. All right,
I
well.
watch my cartoons.
Cartoons? You don't watch cartoons?
I'm coming to join you.
Oh, okay. All right, well, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles Runish.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Goodbye. That was good me being in my video.